Welcome everyone. We're going to do a what's sold style video again, mostly postcard, print ad, and some mixed ephemera as well I wanted to throw in here. Let's begin with this first item. Valentine's Day, a little less than 2 weeks away as I record this, coming up. Got this first sale, took a best offer of $8, had it up for $10. Valentine's Day cherub to the one I love. Nice image there from 1908. Valentine's Day is definitely a highly collected holiday amongst postcard collectors, print ad collectors, a whole bunch of them. So very happy with this one, $8. Next up is this chrome postcard. I'm not going to try to pronounce that name. Kwajalein Missile Range in the Marshall Islands. Sold this one, took a best offer for $9.99, had it up for $12. Nice image there. Looks like it says it's a test site out in the Marshall Islands. You see the runway and some planes on the runway. Beautiful view of the ocean. Very nice sale here. Kudos again to Popeye. Picked this one up on one of his whatnot auctions. He had a whole bunch of airplane cards. Snagged this one, and again, $9 on that one. And next up is a linen card from Alabama, a town called Gadsden. Holy Name of Jesus Hospital in Gadsden. Got $8 on this card. Nothing spectacular, but nice image. Have some cars in the front, so it looks like some nurses perhaps walking out. Very happy with $8 on that card. This one pleasantly surprised me. Just a chrome card from the 50s, a group of apartments in Collingswood, New Jersey. Got $9 on this card. Image of some apartments, and the buyer, of course, was from Collingswood, so always good to know that people that live in certain areas collect their town or their city, and this is a great example of that one. $9 on this very basic chrome card from the 50s. The next card is also from New Jersey, from Newfoundland, New Jersey. It's a divided back old card here. View up Valley Red Rocks Inn. And there's a blow-up of the image there, just kind of a hillside-looking thing. It's from the porch of Red Rocks Inn in Newfoundland, New Jersey. Definitely a little beat-up-looking card, but had no problem selling that for $9. And the next card up is from Atlantic City, New Jersey, one of those kind of can't-lose towns that everybody seems to like and collect. You got the Planters Peanuts sign up there, Mr. Peanut, I mentioned that. It's also probably mid-70s, right? The Exorcist was out in, what, 74, 75? So that's a fairly modern card. But nice image there on the boardwalk. Lots of, you got McDonald's, you have all these different storefronts. Steel Pier, sold that one. Took a best offer again for $9. It was up for $12. Took $9 on that card. And then we have this Disneyland postcard, the backside of water. Very famous view for those of you who know the Jungle Cruise. That's the backside of water. Image from the 50s. There's the image. There's the back of the card. It's called Schweitzer Falls in Adventureland in Disneyland. Got took a best offer of $12 on this one, had it up for $16. Obviously, Disney cards are very collectible and very popular, so get them up if you have them. This next one I'm thrilled to finally get rid of. I've had this up for about 2 years in various guises. Brand new looking, really, really nice. They have the back glue. You can see right here, unused. You dampen the back with some water and then it activates the glue. It's from a roller skating rink called the Hub Giant Rink in Chicago from the 50s. Beautiful condition. Got $20 on this. I bought 3 of them for $1 each a couple years ago. I still have one listed, and then I still have one that I haven't listed yet, so we'll put that up if the second one sells. $20 on that one. And I also sold a nice piece of sheet music here for $14. It's from 1931. Thrill Me, Sammy Watkins and his orchestra. There's a nice image of the cover. There's the music itself with that age toning, that browning of the paper. And there's the back. I scan all of my sheet music just like I scan my print ads using that beautiful A3 scanner. If you want to take a look at that scanner, I have a link right below this video. Check it out. If you're interested in picking it up, it's really a fantastic scanner, especially for larger form factor paper ads. Speaking of ads, let's go into some print ad sales that we've had recently. This is from 1966. Got $16.50 basically for this one plus shipping. A 6-pack of Bud on a nice big block of ice here. Budweiser ads always sell super well for me, and this one $16.50 plus shipping. Back to 1929. I still have my 20% sale off. You're going to see this price a lot, $13.19 plus shipping. This one is for Hot Point. It's a range, kind of an interesting color scheme here. It's like a mostly black and white ad, but it has this tinting of like a peach color almost. But anyway, Hot Point stove, $13.19 plus shipping. By far the most modern magazine I have, 1982. It's from Life magazine. 2-pager on this one for Kent cigarettes, but never mind the Kent cigarettes. Obviously, the Trade Center is the seller here. My mom worked in the Woolworth building, which is right here, and I worked in the World Trade Center for a bunch of years. And you can see they're constructing the World Financial Center here, which is really nice. So 1982 Trade Center ad, got $20 on that one being on sale. 2-pager too. To 1959 we go, $17.59 plus shipping on a Ford Galaxy. There's the image, people kind of hanging out, having a party. Those young hooligan teenagers. And a really nice image of that car right there. You can see the red one is like the station wagon, and then the white one, I guess, is the sedan. Car ads, always super popular sellers. $17.59 plus shipping. Back to 1940, just prior to World War II, at least the USA is involved in World War II. About a year and a half before, depending on what month it is, I don't remember. June, yeah, year and a half before our involvement in World War II, so it's not a World War II ad. However, it's sold for $13.19 plus shipping. It is for Chevy automobile, valve and head engines, black and white. There's the top of it, there's the bottom. This was listed prior to the days of me having that A3 scanner, so I used to scan on a regular scanner that I had, the top on one and then the bottom on another. Put them together, sold that one recently, $13.19 plus shipping. To 1933, another vacuum cleaner ad here for the legendary Hoover. And there it is, black and white ad, sort of almost like a sepia tone, but it is a black and white ad. That's that age toning I talk about a lot. You'll see it in all sorts of paper products. Nothing spectacular, but that's the richest woman in the world, don't you know? And of course, she owns a Hoover. Another vacuum, another Hoover, 1927, same price, $13.19 plus shipping. The Time Saver and Work Saver with positive agitation. There you go, just a Hoover vacuum cleaner. Hoover absolutely sells well. A lot of people collect them, so get your Hoover items up if you have them. And then finally, we have a 2-page ad here. This one is really cool. It's a 2-pager, 1956 Wheaties Home Run Champs. Of course, you got Willie Mays and Mickey Mantle and Al Kaline. And then Ted Kruzewski. I don't remember him at all. I haven't heard of him, but he's on the Reds. Obviously, Willie Mays, Mantle, and Al Kaline. A little sweepstakes there. Win $100 for every home run each of us hits this season. That's big bucks in 56. A great combination here of a very popular item, the Wheaties ads, Breakfast of Champions, along with, of course, Legends of Baseball here, and the Yankees and the Giants. Sold that one on that sale, $16.71 plus shipping. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it out to all your friends, anybody else who might be interested in this content. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I would be honored if you would consider doing so. Hit the subscribe button and take part in all the great activities that we have here on the channel. We do our live shows on Mondays and Fridays. I'll have a live show this evening as I record it tonight, 6 o'clock. Hope to see all of you there. Hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.